Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. In today's video, we are going to learn about adding values horizontally based on a VLOOKUP condition. Now without any ado, let us jump to the problem statement and look at the solution for it. Just as a reminder, this is again a short form video wherein we will be learning complex solutions in a very small amount of time in bite-sized videos. Now here the problem statement is, this is a simple data wherein we have got the sales value for the respective salesman for multiple months, and here I have taken a total of 32 months of sales data that has been captured. Now the problem statement is, we want the sales for month number 1 to month number 16 for only these 5 salesmen. Now how to do that? Traditionally, if we look at it in a solution oriented mindset, what would we do? We would first create a new column which would then give us the summation of all the 16 months values, and then we are going to number the columns and then take a plain lookup. Now why I would not suggest doing this is because right now, let's say the problem is about 16 columns. Going forward, it may also be for rest of the columns as well. So in order to have scalability of the problem, as well as to avoid adding new columns to your data set, because in some situations it might not be feasible to add new columns inside your database or inside your data set. Hence, I have come up with a solution to do a sum in this scenario without inserting any new column. Sounds interesting? Now let's see how to accomplish the same. So we are going to get this result wherein we are going to have the result of summation of the 16 months of sales for the respective salesman. Now how are we going to do that? So for that, the formula that we are going to use is sum product. Now you might be thinking, why am I using sum product instead of VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP can look up for only one value, and if we were to add 16 values, I would have to write 16 VLOOKUPs. I don't want to do that. So in order to do a smart work, I will take the work of VLOOKUP from sum product itself. Let's see how to do it. So I will write sum product, then I will open a bracket. Inside the bracket, now I am going to put up a range. Now what would that range be? That range would be this salesman, because I want to see which salesman is getting picked here. And I will do an equal to, and I will take the salesman name. Bracket close. Here comes the interesting part. I will put a multiplication sign, bracket open. Simple, just like we do in VLOOKUP. Select the entire range from which the data is to be selected. Bracket close, enter. We have already frozen the cell references here, because these are the references that need to be in absolute form, not in relative form. And we will just drag and drop. And you see, these are the values which we wanted. I am showing you with the results as well. Here what I have done is one mistake. I have taken all the columns. Let me just revise it to the month number 16 itself. So month number 16 is restricted till column number S. So here I will change my formula to column number S, and here we go. Now all the values are matching with the should be results. Hope you like the video. Do consider subscribing and share with someone who may need it.